All right, so how was that level on your end?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, you're a little hot, and I don't know why Ryan wasn't. Ryan, are you still on your mobile?
Yeah, still out here in the same spot. I'm gonna leave here in about 2 minutes, but yep, still sitting here doing the same thing. Now sometimes I do get a little upset and I have to get my voice out there, so that probably doesn't work so good.
Yeah, with that Yaesu. I don't know, you're using one of those, what is that microphone? It's a MN46?
No, it's what the hell is it? It's kind of wore off. It's a whatever -33 or the standard issue one that comes with an 857. You and Mark and Richie go back and forth right quick. I'm recording a video, and I'll get a link to Justin, and he can send it to you, Richie. This is how I'm hearing everybody.
Sex, lies, and videotapes, I guess, huh? So, well, sounds good on your end, Mark, right?
Okay, yeah, sounds good up here. Brian's good, you're good. Of course, Justin was never a problem. But, okay, Justin, go.
Yeah, that's all right. I'll send him the video and tell him to forward it on. So there's definitely a difference, but it's negligible. It's enough. Mark, you sound way better, and I'm glad I sound better to you. All right, I got to get rolling, so I'm going to fall out of the repeater for about 20 minutes. N7RMK.